Hey guys, as you all know, I just moved to this tiny awesome camera which is called the RX 100, and this is the Mark 7 version. I was expecting a lot from this camera. I really like the specs. When you look at the paper, it's really awesome. It's really good compared to the RX 100 Mark 5 that I have. I have some things that I didn't like about this camera. I was skeptical about it, and until now I'm still not sure, but yeah, you just try to weigh which ones you like. I like the mic input. I like the mic jack for this camera. That way I can put in good audio whenever I'm filming. But the thing is, I've just realized now it's just finicky to put on the microphone and like put on every time you put it there. It's like it's an extra thing, but maybe I'll get used to it, because if you want to get good audio, you just have to go the extra mile and do it. So yeah, that would work. Two things I didn't like about this camera here is that it's a 2.8. I like the 1.8. I really love the 1.8 from the older cameras, I mean the Mark 5, so it's a bit of a bummer. And I'll make it three things. ND filter, it doesn't have an ND filter, so I'm trying to do more cinematic videos and I don't want a jittery thingy, but I can work with that. And the last thing is that this doesn't have any Cine 4. I was after Cine 4. It has the HLG and the higher S log, but it doesn't have Cine 4. It just have Cine 1 and Cine 2. A bit disappointed, but I can work around it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and vlog again. I haven't finished uploading as I'm recording this. I haven't finished uploading our trip in the Queenstown trip that we have. I hope to finish it as soon as I can. I'm not really happy with the footage and everything, but yeah, what the hell. I'm just putting up my experiences, and I'm making somewhat an online diary, so that should be okay. Also, I'm at the laundry right now. We still haven't bought a washing machine, so I'm still at the laundry trying to wash my clothes. But yeah, just a bit of updates. Anyway, have a wedding tomorrow with Alden, and yeah, those are the updates. Nothing much. Yeah, nothing much. Just this camera with a new Edutige microphone on it, and I have a TPL filter for this. Should be my all-day, my all-around vlogging camera. I'm trying to put all my everything to this camera here because it's tiny and it's really good. And I'm not liking that much. I'm using the other camera. This one also is also a bit beefier than the other camera, so like, yeah, I need to put it in. People are not satisfied, so yeah, that's it. Oh, one more thing. I'm parked here and that light keeps on flashing. There's fish and chips there, so I want to buy something. It's really calling me, but I'm not gonna budge. I'm not gonna budge. Yeah. Hey guys, along with my chaotic stuff here, I just got the Edutige. Yeah, Edutige. I got this Edutige unidirectional microphone, and it's come from Korea. So it's like a lav mic with, yeah. So what I'm planning to do is where's that thing? I'm gonna use my L connector to connect with it. Let's do it. So here's my L connector, and this is the microphone. Whoops, let me take that off. So I have to do it with one hand. There you go. So that's it's a unidirectional. So yeah, it's not omnidirectional. Let's put it in. So I have to do it with one hand. Okay, finally it's in, so I can plug it to any of my cameras, and let's listen to the audio. Okay. So this is the sample audio for the microphone. It's facing me, and this is how it sounds. I'm holding this stuff here. Let me just try to, I'm gonna make it face front. That's how it sounds, and it's facing front, so I bet you can't hear me that much. I like their cord, it's cool. Yep. That's see how this goes. I'm gonna test this in the next few days, so let's see how it goes. Okay, I didn't realize the microphone was so loud when I was filming earlier, so its audio was so high, but let's just see how this goes. I'm gonna test this in the next few days. And yeah, again, it's the edutige. It's the unidirectional one. The other one's like Omni, which checks out everything. So let's test it out. Yeah. Bit of an update. I just put this thing here, and I have a wind muff. It's original edutige, and yeah, it's good. Awesome. Okay, try to use this in the next few days.